Welcome back to this live coding session. In this coding session, I'm going to create a application or command line application that provides us with the number of count of characters, number of count of words, and number of count of lines in a stream. Any stream is something like it is like the WC command provided by comes with that comes in Linux shell scripting or shell scripting languages. So let us start with that. So this is the entry point of our application, and I have worked on different. I have already recorded and uploaded the video where I tell how I have created application to individually count just the characters, just the words, and just the lines. I am putting all together in this application to create a perfect, proper line counting, character counting, word counting application. So you can go and individually see all them to understand how it works, and then come back to here to see that how we have put all together in one application. So this is the memory allocation that we are going to this is the memory allocation that we are going to have to store the last characters that was read, character that was read, to compress all the spaces and tabs, and to not to count all the space as individual words. So to fix that issue, and this is the counts. These are going to, all these variables are going to keep the number of counts of words, characters, and lines. Is equal to 0 int all are zeros right now, and current read character, previous read character, and that is whole thing. And we are going to have a static function is a white space to constant int star red char. This is where we are going to use this function to find that the character that we have read belongs to is a white space or tab or new line or not. New line, else 0, while is red get car, sorry, not equal to end of file. I keep going to run this loop over and over again. So any character we have found is going to create increment the count accumulator by 1 characters, is going to increment this value by 1 any count that any character we have read, doesn't matter what kind of character it is, because we are counting the characters. Then if current read char is a new line, then we are going to increment the value in stored in the memory pointed to by this count lines variable. Next is counting the number of words. So if is white space red character current red character that we have read from is equal to 1, is a white space, and previous red char, the value that stores the last red char is 0, is not a white space, that means then increment the value stored pointed to by the words this value by 1. So and update the memory block with the value of the current red character that we are going to use. Update the last red character that we are going to use in the next iteration to compare that last value was a white space or not. So our code is done, and I'm going to print the value. So I'm going to print that lines words characters, move the cursor to the next line and print those words count now count lines and count characters. Okay, our work is done here, and we should be able to compile this application without any issue. But there is an issue. Okay, we have created a pointer type, but we are passing something that is not a pointer. Oh no. I have provided the memory address, and they are going to read from there and set NU. Go to line number 30 and fix this. Next. Fixed. So this function was designed to accept a memory address, but we were providing something else. And once the memory address has been passed to us, we are going to use this star operation, pointer operation, to dereference that memory and get the value from that memory. So I have fixed that, and it should work now. C and object my word count. Okay, now we run this file. Now we are going to run the this command to tell us what many items we have. We have 31 lines, and so let me just run this through awk, make it look better. Lines $1, words $2 and characters. Maybe it should work, or maybe it won't work, I don't know, but it is worth trying. File name, okay, it worked. You can use Control F and Control B on the keyboard to move forward and backward on the console. You don't need to use arrow keys. Or even better, can I add new line in this command to see? Will it work? Is it going to work or not? And you can use Control H to backspace. So lines 31, words 88, and I'm going to remove the space from the words, and now we have very clear picture that lines are 31, words are 88, characters are 777, and file name is mywc.c. So we have the values from the command line, the application that command line that we trust, and now we are going to use our code to find that if my code is working right or not. So mywc.c. So line 31, words 88, and characters 777. So it is working perfectly fine, and we have created an application to count number of characters, lines, and words in just 10 minutes. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.